Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to BGS Technology English channel. In this video, I'm gonna try to show you the first part of video editing tutorial by using InShot apps. So I have already broke down about the video editing tips. So if you missed that video, I'm trying to mention that video link in the description box. You can watch that video and you can know that how some of tips about your boosting your video editing skill. So in this video, just I'm gonna try to. This is the first part, okay? So that's why I'm gonna try to discuss. Just not only discuss. Just I'm gonna try to show you some of uh, tips and some of feature of InShot apps and how to cut. And that's it. How to cut in a video and how to change your video ratio and etc. etc. So if you wanna see more exciting and more parts of InShot tutorials, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the all bell icon. If you watch that video on Facebook, Mahfil, and another social media apps, don't forget to subscribe and follow me. So let's begin today's video. I am so exciting right now.
Install InShot app. So how do you install InShot app? Let me show. So first of all, open the Google Play Store or Apple Store. It's probably available. So now open the Google Play Store. I'm showing it from Google Play Store. And then now search InShot and then now install apps. And after the install apps, click on open option.
Okay guys, and welcome back. So after the downloading apps, we're gonna open the apps. Okay, so I'm fasting open the apps, and then we are click the video option and then allow. So we are came here for the first time there, so we have to giving it up. So if you look at there, here is all photo and video option. So hopefully you understand what's main these options. Okay, so I'm clicking the video just for one, specifically selecting my video. So and I'm selecting a video here, just I'm selecting this video and click this mark. Okay, so and we click next and then okay. And if you look here, here is a watermark. So here is a cross icon, you can click here and free remove, click here now. So if you remove it offline like me, so you don't need to watch any ads. So and or if you do it online, you have to watch any ad. Okay, so my watermark already removed, and here is a sum of options. So firstly where I am recognizing these options with you. So this is the canvas and you can customize your ratio. So here is ratios and you can customize that. So I'm selecting my feed, or you can say my first options, and then now click here and you can zoom it and zoom out from here. So I don't need to zooming and zoom out, that's why. So and then you can up down with this mark. Okay, and then we click this mark. So if you think about that, you need to cut something. So just I'm playing, I want cut over there. So there's I am swipe the side and then I click the split option and it's splitted. It's a one option, it's a second option. Okay, so which side you wanna delete? Firstly you have to select. So I selected my first and then click the delete option, it's automatically deleted. Okay, so and then this is the volume option, you can increase your volume. So I'm increasing and you can decrease your volume. So as what you need, you can customize it. Okay, no problems. I'm increase it, and this is the denoise, but I think this is not worked here. So and then now click this option. So and I started from first. Okay, and most important matter is this white line is a long line. So it's where is it, and you can select from there. Okay, so you will understand. And this is the mute clip, and if you click here, your if your this clip, every clip will be mute, and if you click here, it will be unmute. Okay, and this is the background, you can select your background, and which is not work 19:6 ratio. So there is a lots of background, and some of background here you can download. with money and without money. So you can watch it. Okay. So and then we can zoom it with our two finger. So that's it. And you can, if you need to cut here, so you can click this plate and then select any option to relate. So I'm selecting the second option and then now I'm clicking the delete. So if you want to recover this, and you can click here, and if you want to go your back, so you can click here, it will be removed. So and then this is just so easy, and we'll meet in the next part. If you want to save your video now, click on the export option, which is the right corner of upside. So now click the export option and you can change your video ratio or etc. So I don't have memorized it, so you can change what you need. So and then now click the export option again, just it will be uh, rendering to your into your gallery. Okay, guys, it was today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want to see more exciting videos, and if you want to know some of tips and tutorial and etc., don't forget to subscribe and follow me. So I'm trying to add the playlist link of the description box about InShot. So if you wanna watch more video, you can visit that video if I upload it. So behind me there is a fan, it's running, that's why, because it's a daytime. Probably what time is it right now? Oh my god, it's 2:15 p.m. This is the afternoon time. So that's it, see you in the next video inshallah. And I have to edit in this video, and my English second paper, I mean English grammar exam, is coming soon, and I have to write this report, or you can say ICT practical. So see you in the next video inshallah. And I'm trying to upload a video. I'm trying to uploading video after my exam, and that's it. See you. Assalamu alaikum.